Hi, I'm Mike Monyak. I'm a GAF certified roofer. The business name is Mr. Happy House LLC. And today I'm going to show you a repair to a common problem in roofs that are over 10 years old, where they have a leak in the plumbing jack. There's two types of plumbing jacks. There's more of a flimsy type that I don't particularly care for, that they sell at Home Depot. And then here is a better type of plumbing jack cover that we use at a different supplier. It's more of a cost-effective approach versus replacement of the whole plumbing jack, where you'd have to tear out shingles and pull up the old plumbing jack, whereas this one would be installed over the top of a leaky one.